I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm Deb and I am the Zodiac of December, and I just wanted to introduce you to the W.E.A.L.T.H program, W.E.A.L.T.H. We introduce you to all the learnings of true happiness, and happiness comes from within, but it also is surrounded with our health, our wealth and our well-being. We can only make what we are by becoming a better person inside. And when I say a better person, I'm talking about the person that you think you are. So we can work on that, and I look forward to the challenge of anything you put to me, and I hope that my programs actually help you. Hey, welcome. So glad that you clicked the button. Well, I'm Deb and I'm the Zodiac of December, and we have a program that we believe is going to help, which is W.E.A.L.T.H Wealth. We educate you on all the learnings of true happiness. So I've spent the last 30 odd years being able to run businesses and bring children up and actually have a very, very fruitful life. So I wanted to show and use my learnings and my experience to help you, whether that is just to create a more positive person inside, or to basically help you to build your business. And I'm currently working a lot online, and my business is making ways into affiliate marketing. So I'll also be doing lots of recordings about that as well. So I look forward to meeting you through the Facebook group, through the Instagram, through Pinterest, whatever it is that you have that has brought you to me. And I hope that we can have a fruitful life together.